Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So as expected, budget was out and oh boy, what a volatility, right? Bank Nifty alone moved more than 3000 points and Nifty has moved around 1500 points. It was so much volatile. Had you traded today, I'm sure you must be in profit. See, I'm not arrogant. I'm just saying you will not be able to make money in this kind of market. Market moving 1500 points and Bank Nifty moving 2000 to 3000 points. It is very hard to make money. That's why I told yesterday, if you had made money, I'm really happy for you. But I'm sure most of you who is watching this video would have not made money, right? And Bank Nifty, I'll tell you, 41,000 to 42,000, 42,000 to 39,500, and it closed somewhere around 40,500. So more than around 3,000 points move in Bank Nifty alone, and Nifty alone has moved more than, as I told you, 1,500 points, 17,700 all the way to 18,000, then came to 17,300, 350, then closed somewhere around 17,600 levels. So that was the kind of volatility in the market. And you know what, FIAs are, FIA, if you see the FIA and DI data, it is not as bad as what you think. You might think such volatile move and FIAs would have dumped or DIs would have done something, right? But that is not true. We'll come back to that later. All this is happening only because of Adani. And you know Adani, how much is the price today? Around 2,100. Yesterday it was around 3,000. Today it has come to 2,100. Had you invested in FPO, Adani Enterprises FPO, 3,000 rupees, now you would have lost more than 30%. This IHC, right, International Holding Company, lost more than 120 million in just one trading session, right? And there was a news which I saw recently that Credit Suisse has stopped accepting Adani Enterprises bonds. So that might be a bad news. Not a single stock in Adani has made money, is in the green. Everything is down. Circuit hit in Adani Enterprises. So that is a kind of manipulation. That's why I warned you last 2 days. If you are following us last 2 days, I've been warning you, don't try to trade in this market if you don't have caliber. And I'll tell you, if you want to trade in this market, if you want to make in this money in this market, this kind of market, you really need to have a good caliber. If you don't have caliber, if you don't have patience, you are not going to make money at all. Forget this budget. Budget is a different story. And I'll tell you frankly, this budget is nothing. There was nothing in this budget. There was nothing for the vulnerable people of this society. There was nothing for low-end people, poor people, right? Nothing, all crap. This 75 lakhs to 7 lakhs slab and all, nothing. There is nothing significant in this budget. So that is a different thing. But I can tell you, this is going to be very, very bad, and this Adani is going to drag the market. Now only Adani Enterprises and Adani stocks are falling. Next, who knows what is going to happen. Banks, there are so many banks which is having exposure to Adani, and they might also go down. SBI is having high exposure, ICICI Bank is having high exposure, LIC is having high exposure to Adani. So we really don't know. And this Adani uncertainty, till this Adani uncertainty is not going to finish, we will not know what is going to be the direction of the market. And of course, there are many events coming up. Tomorrow, US Federal Reserve is going to come out with interest rate. After that, Mr. Shakti Gandadas is going to come out with interest rate. So lots of event. And as I told you, it is going to be very, very choppy. That's why I told, be careful and be cautious. Try to trade safely. Right? And as I told you, if you see the market condition, let me go to the charts. Nifty and Bank Nifty has moved aggressively. I don't have to tell you, you would have seen the charts. And open interest is also not much of a significance. But what is very interesting is FIIs have been net buyers today. They have bought for around 1,785 crores. and DIs have bought for around 529 crores. In spite of both the DIs and FIIs buying, still our market has fallen so much. In fact, I have not seen a budget where the market has gone so much, so volatile. And even 2 days back, I posted a video that you can do some non-directional strategies and you will end up in profit. But it seems if had you deployed some non-directional strategies, you would have been in loss. Not in loss, you will be flat, right? End of the day, what happened is India VIX is still down only, I think less than 0.5%. But what usually happens is when there is a budget day, India VIX usually crashes. It happened in the first part of today's trading session, but second half it was very unfortunate. Fall was very bad. Like it was falling like anything. It was falling like there was no tomorrow, right? And remember, people, whether this government or this Ambanis or Adanis, they are not going to do any kind of good to vulnerable society, underprivileged in this country. All they care is just how much money they are making at the end of the day. That's what has happened. Yesterday they pumped the Adani shares after this FPO has done. They are just dumping like anything. So this is what happens, right? I don't like, we don't care whatever this, that's why I told, don't go for Adani stocks or don't even try to trade in options, stock options. You will feel the heat. And we really don't care, right? End of the day, all we care is how much profitable we are and how much profitable people who follow me are. Both me and people who follow me are safe. That is what I care about. Let them do whatever they want, right? We don't go into this stock options. That's why I always say stock option is expensive to trade, and it is super expensive if you have to do adjustment, right? So we are not planning any buying any car with Adani, or we are not going to pay any EMI with Adani. In fact, I don't have a car loan at all. I have car, but I don't have car loan at all. I don't have any credit cards. I don't have any personal loan. Pure cash. If I have cash, I will play around. If I don't have cash, I'll just shut up and sit in the corner, watch TV, Netflix. That's it. That is the best thing you can do in this market, right? In this world, India, particularly India. Anyway, I hope this budget session was a very valuable lesson you would have learned in the recent times. So always be careful. We'll see how things pan out. Tomorrow is expiry. Maybe expiry might be around 17,400 to 17,800. This is a very long range, I know. But considering the volatility, considering the way these things are happening, we'll have to have a big wide range. That's why I'm saying it is 17,300 to maybe 17,800. And Bank Nifty, who knows, 39,500 to around 39,000, 42,000 levels, right? So it's going to be a very choppy week ahead. Still there are events which has not yet finished. So be careful, trade cautiously. I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.